Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the error "Sorry, we couldn't update your profile picture on Instagram." It's a really quick and easy fix, so just open up Instagram and let's say we've gotten the error. What do we do? Well, as all things, first check your connections. See in YouTube, see in Chrome if everything is loading. If everything is loading, then this is not going to be the problem. But uh, if you're having problems with the upload itself, make sure that you have the proper permission set up on Instagram. And you can do that by going to your device's settings. And when you're in your device's app settings, just find Instagram. See permissions. Make sure to have storage enabled. Like this, allow access to media only. And as well to your camera. So that should be turned on, but if this isn't working, you can force stop the application and boot it up again to see if it's going to work. Basically a hard restart. And as a final alternative, you can do the following. You can go to Google Play and see if you need to update your Instagram. Here it should say open, but if it says update, update it and then open it and the problem should be fixed. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe and see you next time.